Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran, in Surah Al-Isra, chapter 17 of the Quran. Allah tells us in chapter 17 of the Quran, verse 11. Listen to what Allah says of human beings. And let us reflect on our lifestyle. Let us look at what we do on a daily basis and how we live this life on a daily basis. Allah says here, وَيَدْعُ الْإِنسَانِ. What? وَيَدْعُ الْإِنسَانِ. Chapter 17, verse 11. بِالشَّرْءِ. And human beings, they call. Technically, the word here, they call. They invite upon themselves. They bring upon themselves. They cause upon themselves. Evil. Bishari du'a'ahu bil khair. And now Allah continues to say, very interesting, they call upon themselves evil in place of calling upon themselves good, khair. So we have the Arabic word here, shar, and we have the Arabic word here, khair. Shar means bad, evil. Khair means good. So human beings, what has happened to us in the lifestyle that we live nowadays, we are always in a chase, in a hurry, in a haste, in a rush, that we cause upon ourselves bad and harmful things to happen. We self-destruct ourselves. Because Allah continues to say, وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ عَجُولًا. Ajula means, for certainly human beings are always in haste. Human beings are hasty. You want this right now. We want to get this right away. You're going to school, we're going to college, you now start college, you got a 7 years or 5 years, but you want a degree already. You now start a business and you want to be making money. But everybody knows it takes a little effort. You got a capital, you put out something, you start something, you make effort, you do such and such, and then you reap the rewards. We plant a seed in the ground. We got to wait for a certain time for the tree to grow so we can get the fruits. Right? There is a procedure.